Mr. Pavan Goenka, are you 70 to 80% or 98% for this budget?
I cannot hear anything. Can you hear?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Mr. Goenka. Yeah, go ahead. Thank you for joining us.
Mr. Pavan Goenka,
Yes.
can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Right. Okay. No, Pranoy was just asking you, are you also giving this budget a 12 on 10 rating, or do you have mixed views?
Well, I don't give a rating ever for the budget, but I would give a thumbs up to this budget. The budget is focusing on all the right things that the industry had been asking for. It is a growth-oriented budget with significant thrust on healthcare and on infrastructure. And these are the two things that industry has really prioritized. So I would certainly give it a thumbs up. Of course, there are areas that one always wishes there was more of, but I think overall, given where we are today, the finance minister has done an excellent job in creating a growth-oriented budget.
Right. Mr. Goenka, but just to ask you, as far as Mahindra itself is concerned, because we were hearing that auto sector generally is starting to see some revival. Where are you compared to, yes, no, just to understand, where overall as a group, where are you now in terms of revenue compared to pre-pandemic?
Where are we compared to pre-pandemic in revenue? That's a very a broad question, and I don't know how to answer that because it depends on which business you're talking about. There are several businesses of Mahindra that are doing much better than pre-pandemic, and there are several businesses that are about at that level, and some are lower. The one that is really booming is the tractor business.
That's a great answer.
Where the tractor industry has been really doing extremely well over the last 7-8 months, including what happened in the month of January with a 50% growth. The automotive business, the demand is very good.
Mr. Pavan Goenka, Mr. Goenka, I must say your answer, some are good, some are bad, and some are very bad, and some are very good. It's
no,
like
I didn't say
Bengali
very bad.
said, you know, how is it? No, okay, no, never very bad. Okay. It's like a Bengali, when you say, how are things, they say, all depends.
Yes, that is the correct answer because it all depends since Mahindra and Mahindra is not one business, it is multiple business.
Right, fair enough actually. I'm just, you feel overall an average for Mahindra and Mahindra compared to pre-pandemic, how much? Average.
I'm sorry, I won't be able to answer that question because I don't have those numbers in front of me, so I cannot give an average increase.
Fair enough.
Yeah. But if you want to talk about the impact of budget on our business, I can talk about that.
Yes.
Okay, just a second. I just want to bring in Dorab here.
Yes.
Vasu, you know, Dorab is being very silent, which is most unusual, but he's, you know, getting lazy now. Just wanted to ask you, Dorab, a little bit of perspective on the deficit. You know, this 9.5 and 6.3.
There are two things I want to say. You know, Arvind Subramaniam said that day on your program that what we must get right is our numbers. When you say 9.5, what is it? The two things to look at. Firstly, does it include off-budget balance sheet items or does it not? Last year, the finance minister gave a deficit and also an indication of off-balance sheets, borrowing from Food Corporation, all kinds of other people. That's one point. Also, last year, this year, when you make a forecast, you forecast for each sector like industry. Now, industry forecast, how is it made? On the basis of organized industry like Mr. Goenka's industry. Then they say, look, this is 50%, so we add another 50% for unorganized. Now, this time, unorganized isn't wiped out. Unorganized accounts for about half the output and about 80% of employment. So the question is about time. We've been doing this for many years because the unorganized sector was very small. Now it's half the manufacturing sector. So we need to invest more in collecting data every year, not once every 4 years, and then using that proportion for 4 years. I think we just need to get, you know, if we're spending lakhs of crores, perhaps we can spend a few thousand crores to collect data on the unorganized sector, which accounts for 80% of manufacturing employment and almost half the output every year, so that we can then merge it and not make an estimate for what it could be. Then your industrial output figure for next year, which may be 11%, may actually be down to 7%. And your whole number comes down. we must get our data right. If we can't get our data right, it's like an accountant. You can't get your books right. You don't know what's happening. And I think that's what we got to control.
Right.